So the first cleaning protocol for the clear dunks is to walk around in 5 circles in the shallow end until you get a nice deep clean on the sneak.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's pretty waterproof. Besides the holes in the front, there's no water coming out. Yo, this is like water plants with this.
By the first looks of it, this is so much cleaner than before. I mean, look at the bottom of the soles. I'd give this an 8 out of 10. Method number 2 is just some standard shoe cleaner as well as a little brush because I don't want to scratch any of this. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we do not scratch any of this clear material because that would really ruin the day. So I put half soap and half water in here. Let's see how it works. So obviously this is going to work on the side of the sole as well as the bottom, but I have no idea if this is going to clean the top because I don't want it to scratch at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. There's just soap flying everywhere. Yo, this might actually be a tough look just walking around with the soap on it. It would ruin it though. Obviously, this is working perfectly. There's no problems with this, but the last one is gonna be the best. This is the whole reason wwhy I made this video right here. Let's go. I was able to clean the bottom of the sole as well, so that's very nice. This is why you clicked on the video. Windex on the clear dunks. I mean, let's get right into it. If we give a little, I mean, smells like Windex too. Come on. Yo, it is straight clean. Look at that. Look at that. It's like brand new. It looks even better than out of the pool, and I don't even know how it could look like that, but it does because, oh, come on now. Come on now. These are the first ever all clear Nike Dunks, but I gotta make an outfit for it because at the moment, I have no idea what to wear with these sneakers. About 3 videos ago, I live streamed myself making a pair of these streetwear fashion pants, and they're coming out really cool. And we're gonna be matching them with these all clear Dunks because we gotta make something that looks good so these pop out, look good. How you doing? Keep it moving. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications if you enjoy content like this, and let's get right to it. This morning, I made these 4 cargo pockets that are gonna go on the side of the pants. If you wanna check those out, at Kustoms on TikTok, as well as Tyler Bespoke on TikTok. I made these 4 cargo pants. I think they're gonna look really cool on the side seam, but we gotta make the pocket that folds over it because I added the butt. We gotta keep them safe, we gotta keep them secure. But I'm gonna be adding these on the side of the pants, and then we're gonna finish it up, wrap it up, maybe even add more pockets, but I don't wanna do too much because too much is doing too much. More time is going into these than I thought, but I'm putting a lot of love into them. So I got the pockets going on, the lighter on the bottom, the darker on the top. The dark actually matches the bottom of the pants if you could get a full-on view. But there's 2 pockets on each side on the seams. I think it looks really awesome. Now I also added embroidery right there. I'm going to be putting Tyler Bespoke on everything, so definitely stay tuned because that's going to be on everything, as well as how you doing, keep it moving, then also another Tyler Bespoke that's in glow in the dark, which I think is a really cool touch. Now that won't really show too much unless a light is on it a long time before going in the dark, but I think they're coming out really cool. I might have had too much going on with the pockets. They might be too big or at least too hanging out, but I'm not worried. I love how they're turning out. Let me know, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. If you like seeing me make streetwear, because I'm gonna be making a lot of this on the live streams. We're gonna be doing that every single week, so stay tuned, as well as smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check this video right here. Bloop.